Kampala, the capital city of Uganda, is home to over 4 million people, and the World Bank projects this population to triple by 2050. Every day, the city generates over 4,000 metric tons of garbage, with over 80% being organic waste from homesteads, markets, and food processing facilities. While a fraction of the garbage is transported to landfills like Kitezi, the rest ends up in drainage channels, by the roadsides, and in surrounding areas. This disposal poses a significant threat to the environment and the health of Kampala's residents. But amidst these challenges, there is hope. Our innovative waste valorization technology offers a sustainable solution. We use the black soldier fly larva to convert organic waste into protein-rich livestock and poultry feeds. And we also generate a nutrient-rich organic fertilizer for crop farming. This circular economy approach requires minimal investment, less space, and reduces waste by up to 75% compared to other technologies. Scaling up this technology will create cleaner cities, create meaningful jobs for youth, and also foster sustainable agriculture. We have successfully piloted our solution in partnership with Makerere University, demonstrating its viability. We invite the government, development partners, and other stakeholders to join us in implementing this innovative solution throughout Uganda.